So guys, we are popping some cans. Yeah, we're gonna be making popcorn today. So join me. Let's do this together. So we'll be needing can, mixture of salt and sugar, then margarine. Let's go. So guys, we are done popping our corns. Look at the way I'm sweating like a Christmas kid. Here's a can. Try it out. Mixture of sugar and salt. Your margarine, you can use butter, you can use your oil, any kind of oil you want, okay? And then your corn, of course, and your popcorn is ready. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my mother. So Jamie, let's give this to mama. Hi baby. My mom is shocked to see this. Yes, baby, that's what I was doing. You see? My mom likes popcorn. So today I decided to make popcorn for her. Hi, baby, you like it? You see? My mom likes it. She's always buying from the market. Today I decided to make this one for her. You mean Oh my god. And this is mine. Eh? My mom likes popcorn like tomorrow no day. Already groundnut like this.